This is a rubber mat. This mat has many uses because it is very durable. One good use for this is floor protection from your table, cabinets, and even your bed. Attach this to the bottom and your floor will not get scratched. It has a thickness of around 7 millimeters. Although you can buy this at different thickness. This material is not hard to cut. You can easily cut this with a utility knife or even a scissor. I am curious how my track saw would perform if I use it to cut this. When using a utility knife, always use a metal ruler. Also, don't expect to cut it with a single pass, especially this thick. Multiple passes is necessary for thick materials. Cutting soft materials is not good for a fast spinning tool like a track saw. The track saw has a sensor that will detect if the material is too soft or too hard, and it will adjust its RPM accordingly. Although I have no way of measuring it, but I felt a decrease in RPM of the blade as soon as the blade touches the rubber. The sensor really do works. Good job, Makita. It was just like cutting butter with a hot knife. And the result is very clean, just like a utility knife clean. And now that I know it works, I am going to cut 7/8 inch strips to put under my 3D printer table. Because the rubber is black, I am putting masking tape and put my pencil marks there. I will turn over the table. This way it is easier to put the rubber. Sanding the surface will make the contact cement stick better. Applying the contact cement with the plastic bottle method. This method is perfect for small areas like a plywood edge. I am also applying contact cement to the rubber. It is just not shown on the video. After the contact cement dries, stick the rubber and you're done. Properly done, and it will look like this. This will both protect the table and the floor. You can do this to your furnitures at home if you move them a lot. The rubber comes in many color and thickness. Just match the color to your furniture and you won't even notice it is there. Hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching.